Hi, I'm Todd Cooperrider with Esoteric, and welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question is, how often should I apply maintenance products to my vehicle? What people are talking about here, where this question comes from, particularly people with coated cars, but it can also be relatable to somebody who has a wax or a sealant on it. And there really is no right answer for this one. It depends on a lot of factors. You know, how often are you driving your car? How much is it in rain? How often you're washing your car? What kind of soap are you using to wash your car? But assuming, you know, that it's like a coated vehicle, we've talked about it in many other videos before. You want to make sure that you're maintaining that surface with a product that is designed specifically for coated vehicles. You're not throwing quick detailers or quick waxes on it whatsoever. But with that, I would say you can probably go as little as every couple of months and you're going to be fine. Somebody like me, I do it almost every single time that I wash my vehicle. Why? Well, why not? I'm there. And if there's any kind of little water spots or bug etching or something else, it just gives me the opportunity to work with it and put a fresh layer of product on it. Am I using it too often? Yeah, probably. But once again, I like doing it. I enjoy, you know, rubbing something down on my car. But once again, if you're washing your car once a week, you have a coated vehicle, if you did it once a month, once every other month with the right kind of product, you would be good to go. But if you have a waxed vehicle, waxes typically don't last that long, so you're going to want to put something on top of it more often. And what you put on top of it is going to vary. Just be careful that you're not trying to put all these different layers. We've got videos out there that talk about that, where you're not really gaining anything. But if I was going around with wax on my car, I'd probably maintain it with something like a spray wax. Rapid Wax from Polish Angel is a good example there. I'd probably do that every other time that I wash the car, because it's quick, it's simple, it freshens everything up, and the fact that waxes drop off a little bit more quickly, there's more incentive for you to go in there and put something on top of your vehicle that is going to freshen it up and keep that protection working at its best. But you want to learn more about, you know, the layering and how much products you're put on it. Check out this next video, because we discuss that in a little bit more detail.